Layers of the Rainforest, written by Lily Jones. There are rainforests all over the world. As you can probably tell from their name, rainforests get a lot of rain. All that water makes them very green. Many plants and animals live in the rainforest. Rainforests have very tall trees that are home to animals such as parrots and monkeys. The plants and trees make good homes for the animals. Rainforests have 4 different layers. The bottom layer is called the forest floor. Then comes the understory, the canopy, and finally the emergent layer. The first layer of the rainforest is called the forest floor. This layer is the bottom of the rainforest. It is dark and damp on the floor of the forest. The biggest animals are found on the forest floor. They wouldn't fit anywhere else in the forest. They are too big to climb high up on plants and trees. Instead, they walk on the earth. The second layer of the rainforest is called the understory. The understory has small trees and is still pretty dark. A little light from the top of the forest makes its way down to the understory. Ants and butterflies live in the understory. They move up and down on the trees and plants. Snakes may even slither into the understory as they wait to attack animals below. The third layer of the rainforest is called the canopy. It is made up of the branches and leaves of trees. Sometimes they connect at the top. When that happens, the canopy can look like an umbrella. Most of the sunlight that reaches the rainforest falls on the canopy. This helps plants to grow there. The plants love the sun. Most of the animals in the rainforest live in the canopy. Animals like sloths and howler monkeys like to hang out in the trees. There is a lot going on in the canopy. The fourth layer of the rainforest is called the emergent layer. It is made up of trees that go above the canopy. When the canopy forms a top to the rainforest, these trees poke up above everything else. Not many animals live in the emergent layer. Most of the animals stay in the canopy, but birds can fly high into the emergent layer. The biggest trees in the rainforest stretch throughout all 4 layers. They can have different animals living on them in each layer of the rainforest. These trees are so full of life. Leaf-cutter ants may crawl on them on the forest floor, while birds may perch on them in the emergent layer. As they grow, they make more homes for animals. Sometimes animals move around the different layers of the rainforest. Animals like monkeys can swoop down to the forest floor or canopy to find food. But some animals, like the big ones on the forest floor, stay in one layer. The 4 layers of the rainforest are home to many plants and animals. There is so much life in the rainforest.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.